myself Spurti. My teammates are Divya K, Sinchana K, and Kalavati. Our topic is smart dustbin. Now, introduction will be handled by Divya. Introduction for this topic. A smart dustbin is an innovative solution designed to revolutionize the way we manage waste. Unlike a traditional waste bin, smart dustbin incorporate advanced technologies such as sensor, automation, and sometimes internet connectivity to enhance waste disposal processes. Most common features of smart dustbin include sensor that detect when the bin is full and automatically alert waste collection services. These eliminates the need for manual monitoring and helps prevent overflow, ensuring that the bin are emptied on time. Unlike a traditional bin which simply collects waste, smart dustbin are equipped with features that allow them to interact with users, monitor their capacity, and manage waste more efficiently. A smart dustbin offers a wide range of benefits, particularly in urban area and public space. In public space, smart dustbin ensure the waste collection is efficient and timely, reducing the need for manual monitoring. The next topic is handled by Spurti. Requirement analysis. This is ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is a type of sensor that uses sound waves at a frequency higher than the audible range for humans to detect objects or measure distances. The sensor emits ultrasonic waves or sound waves and then measures the time it takes for the waves to noise flash after hitting an object. This time it takes used to calculate the distance between object and Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is open source microcontroller. The board based on 80 mega 328 each. It is very widely used for building electronic projects, prototyping, and learning about embedded systems. The board features 14 digital input or output pins, 6 analog inputs, a USB connection programming for programming, and a power jack for external power supply. It can be programmed using Arduino integrated development environment, which makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Arduino Uno is a commonly used in applications like robotics, automation, home projects, and IoT systems. It is simplicity, affordable, and large community support have made it one of the most popular platforms for learning electronics and building device projects. Battery. As you know, battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy to power electronic devices. It consists of one or more electrochemical cells, each with two electrodes, a positive terminal cathode and a negative terminal anode, separated by an electrolyte. When a device is connected to a battery, a chemical reaction occurs, producing electrons that flow to a cathode, providing power. Batteries come in various types, such as alkaline, lithium-ion, and nickel metal hydride. Each designed for specific applications, from powering small gadgets like remote controls to large systems like electric vehicles. The battery's capacity measured in milliampere hours or ampere hours indicates how much energy it can store and how long it can provide readings. Servo. It is a type of motor that provides precise control of angular position, speed, and acceleration. It typically consists of a small motor and gear system, a feedback mechanism, and to monitor and adjust the position. Servo motors are used in robotics, automation, and RC remote control systems to provide to move parts with higher accuracy, like robotic arms, steering mechanism, and camera mounts. Servo are controlled by sending pulse width modulation signal, which determines the angle of rotation. The main advantages of servo is the ability to rotate specific positions quickly and accurately, making them ideal for applications like precise movement. The next one is handled by Sinchana. Arduino board is connected to ultrasonic sensor, and it is also connected to servo, which is embedded on the dustbin through diagram. Next is continued by Sinchana.
Myself, Cincinnati. My topic: advantages of smart dustbins. Reduction in carbon footprints. By optimizing the waste collection process, smart dustbins helps to reduce the number of vehicles on the road, which in turn lowers emission and contributes to cleaner air. Higher recycling rates. Some smart bins can automatically sort recyclable materials, which promotes higher recycling rates, reducing the volume of waste sent to landfills and encouraging sustainable practices. Waste reduction and resource management. Data analytics from the smart Smart bins can help cities and business identify partner in waste generator, leading to more effective waste reduction strategies. Touches functionality. Some smart bins are designed to open automatically via sensors or food pedals, improving hygiene and convenience for users. This is particularly beneficial in high traffic areas where people may consider about touching public bins. Public health and cleanliness. Next topic, hand over to Kalyan. Myself, Palani. Today I am explain about the topic of differences between smart dustbin and normal dustbin. Features: technology, waste monitoring, maintenance, user experience, health and hygiene, waste segregation, environmental impact. In smart dustbin, equipment with sensors, IoT and automated features. In normal dustbin, no technology, just a basic container for waste. In smart dustbin, real time fill, level, tracking and alters. In normal dustbin, no monitoring, waste collected on a fixed schedule. In smart dustbin, proactive maintenance via alerts for a malfunctioning. In normal dustbin, reactive maintenance only. In smart dustbin, features like touchless operation, odor control and data display. In normal dustbin, basic interaction with no added convenience. Prevents overflow, controls odors, improves sanitation. In normal dustbin, overflowing bins can lead to unhygienic conditions. Automatic waste storing and segregation. In normal dustbin, manual sorting required. In smart dustbin, reduces emissions, promotes recycling and energy recovery. In normal dustbin, higher emissions, less effective recycling. Conclusion: smart dustbin represent a transformative advancement in waste management, offering a wide range of benefits that enhance efficiencies, sustainability and cleanliness. By utilizing real-time monitoring, data analytics and automation, ultimately smart dustbins are not just a solution for waste collection, they are a step towards more intelligent, eco-friendly and connected cities, making them an indispensable tool in the drive towards a sustainable and efficient future. Thank you. Now we demonstrate the project.
It contains Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, and ultrasonic sensor detects the object nearby. Servo motor, it helps to open and close the dustbin. This is a wire cable which connects dustbin to laptop. The distance given is 30 to 29 meters. That when the object comes near to the dustbin, it automatically opens through ultrasonic sensor by using it senses by ultrasonic sensor, and it is moving upward and downward by servo motor. Now we can put dust. It closes and opens when the dust is nearby 30 meters.
When someone comes near the dustbin, it opens, sensing the humans, and when putting the dustbin, they put the dust in the dustbin and move to forward. That closes.
The advantages of smart dustbin is people feel unhygiene to touch the waste, to touch the dustbin. So it automatically without touching it, the dust of objects can be put inside the dustbin. Thank you.